To fix the error, install vbscript. Now for this, open Windows settings and then go to System, scroll down, find optional features, click on optional features and click on view features, click on yes to allow, and over here you can type in vbscript over here, and then if you find it, put a check over here and then click on install. In my case it is already installed, so if you see install button, put a check over here and install it, and after the installation you can check. If that does not work, you can run this command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this command, type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you open command prompt as an administrator only, and then click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Once this is done, now you can restart your computer. Here you can see operation completed successfully. Now restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check, still not working. Now if already installed, try registering it again in command prompt. So copy this command. This command is also provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now you can check, still not working. Go to this location and check if you find vbscript.dll file. So open File Explorer, go to this PC, open C drive, open Windows folder, find System32 folder, open this folder, and then find vbscript for DLL file. So here you can see vbscript.dll. If you have this file, then check if this file is there in this location as well. So you can go to Windows and then find system.wow32, system.wow64, 64. Open this and then find vbscript. Here you can see I have it. Now if the file does not exist, in that case open command prompt as an administrator and then run this command. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run it as an administrator, click on yes to allow, paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. Once this will run a scan, once this scan is 100% complete, then you run this command again. Once this is complete, you can copy and paste the command over here, and then you can hit the enter key. And once it is done, now you can try to install Epic Games Launcher and then you can check. So that should help you to fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.